Hey there! Today, we're going to take a look at profiles in Vela, one of the fastest ways to save time and keep your shop consistent. Profiles act like reusable templates you can apply to multiple listings, so you can make updates once and carry them across your whole shop. Here's the profiles icon. Let's click through and see profiles in action. This is where all your saved profiles live. You can open, edit, or create new ones here. To create a profile, you can always start from scratch, manually filling in whichever fields you want to save. We'll create a profile for our art prints with 3 different size options. We're only going to include variations, though you can also select and include multiple listing sections in a single profile. It's important to only include the parts of the listing you want to overwrite. You can remove fields from a profile by clicking the remove symbol at right. Profiles will only replace the fields you've saved inside them. More advanced uses and preserving details such as SKUs are covered in our Help Center. You can connect listings to the profile by searching by title or SKU, or sort using these dropdowns to quickly find listings by key attributes like listing status, section, or category. We'll check these 3, and we'll then see the listings connected to the profile here. To disconnect a listing from a profile, you can choose the remove symbol at right. To save time when creating a new profile, most sellers start from an existing listing that has most or all of the relevant details they want in their profile. Let's create one from this crop top listing. We open the listing and click Save as Profile down here. We choose a title for the profile and select which elements of the listing we want to overwrite any future listings we connect it to. This process does not change your base listing in any way. Once you create a profile from a listing, you can always make edits to specific details that may differ from the original listing. Here, we'll reduce the price by $2 before saving the profile. Once you've created your profile, you can also apply it in bulk. We'll select all of our crop top listings from the main dashboard and click Edit to open the bulk editor. When we choose the profile from the dropdown, all of the selected listings update at once across all fields included in the profile. The green dots that appear in the left-hand menu show all the fields that have been impacted by the application of the profile. The selected listings are now updated and connected to the profile for any future edits. We can see here that all of those listings are now connected when we navigate to the Profiles page. Now, we can change the return policy for all of these crop tops directly in the profile. After saving, over in the listing, we see that the change is reflected. And if you ever want to copy or delete a profile, you can do that from the Profiles page as well. You can duplicate a profile within the same shop or copy it to another connected shop or channel, giving you consistency everywhere you sell. But profiles don't just speed up editing, you can also use them to create new listings. This profile for new phone case listings has everything that all our cases have in common, including shared photos, price, details, variations, shipping, and more. We intentionally leave out any product photos, the title, and other fields unique to each listing. We're going to save it in template mode. This means that future changes to the listing won't be overwritten by the profile. For example, we can replace the first listing image when we create the listing without it reverting back to the generic images the profile includes. When you apply a profile in template mode, it just drops in the details, and then the listing can be edited independently. All we have to do is add our unique product photo and use Vela's AI tools to generate optimized listing content based on our photos and details. We can do that in one click by selecting the full listing score at bottom right and clicking Optimize. Now we have a fresh, consistent new listing optimized for our selling platform almost instantly. The profile can be used again and again to create new listings at scale, and that's how you manage listings with profiles in Vela. Profiles save you hours of repetitive editing, helping you sell smarter while your shop stays fresh and active.